Welcome to Investigation 10. This is about graphing points on a coordinate plane. Coordinate planes involve a horizontal and a vertical line that intersect at one point and divided into four sections. As you can see, our horizontal line is called our x-axis. That's the number that we always read first. And our vertical line is our y-axis. That's the second number that we read. So on this coordinate plane, you see four different yellow dots, and they're given a specific coordinate with two different numbers and a comma in between. The first number represents the x-axis, so the number that's on the horizontal axis, and the second number represents the y-axis, or the number that's on it. And the way that you can remember this is that x comes before y in the alphabet. So if you see at this one right here that I've circled, we have 10, 3. So that means we go 10 spaces to on the x-axis, and because it's not negative, we know we're going to go to positive 10, which is right here. And then I'm going to go on my y-axis, which means I'm going to go vertical 3, which would be 1, 2, 3, right there where the yellow dot is. Okay, then you look at the next one. Going clockwise, we have 10, so we're still on our positive axis of the horizontal line. And then we have negative 3, so that means I'm going to go down negative 3. That would be 1, 2, 3. And that's where my point is. Alright, and then the next one going clockwise, I have negative 10, so that's on the left side of the horizontal line, which when we learned about negative numbers, the negative numbers are on the left. So I have negative 10, which is right here, and then I have negative 3, so that means I'm going down 3, which would be 1, 2, 3, right there where the yellow dot intersects. So I'm labeling where the yellow dot is. I'm just showing that I'm counting for you. So the yellow dot represents where that specific point is. You can kind of think of it like battleship. And then our last one, we have negative 10, which is still on the left side of the horizontal line. And then we have positive 3, so that means I'm going up 3, which is right there. Alright, and then another very important thing to know is that we have our origin. Our origin is always going to be at 0, 0, so it's the very origin of the graph. It's the very center point of the coordinate plane. Alright, so knowing and learning about coordinate planes, we have the different practice problems for you. There's 5 of them. I've labeled 5 different points, A, B, C, D, and E. And for numbers 1 through 5, I want you to give me the specific coordinate point for it, meaning you're going to give me 2 different numbers. You're going to put a comma in between. The first one is the x-axis, which is your horizontal line, and the second one is your y-axis, which is your vertical line. So they have to be in that order, otherwise it's completely wrong. So go ahead and do those, and we'll explain and talk about this more tomorrow. Thank you.